Alright, I'm gonna give you a little look at the snow we got. We got about 9 inches. And you can see my drifts. Hope I got a good one in the backyard. Yeah, got a couple of them. We got to walk down to the stove, yo. Then I gotta get out and dig us out. Yeah, even the sidewalk's friggin' drifted. Damn, I should have brought my gas bottle. Probably need some for the snowblower. Fuck he giving me the look for? Because I'm not on my bike. This is the street. You can see we got quite a bit of ice down. I'd say as soon as the sun comes out today, all this shit in the main street will be done. But there's lots of ice all the way up and down. Thick ice. What the hell this guy's truck's doing? Yeah, thanks to the cover blowing off. I just hope it stayed on long enough to keep the rain out of the ignition.